Good morning, students. Chapter 4 Geometry. In the previous session, we learned how to draw circles. Today, we are going to learn how to draw concentric circle. Circles drawn in a plane with a common center and different radii are called concentric circles. These are concentric circles. Here, these circles are drawn with the same center O but with different radius. That is the radius of first circle, radius of second circle, radius of third and fourth are different, but the center of the circle is same, that is point O. These circles we call it as concentric circle. The next one is circular ring. The area between two concentric circle is known as circular ring. Suppose if you draw two concentric circle and the distance between the first circle and the second circle, this area we called it as circular ring. The width of the circular ring can be found it by subtracting the radius of the outer circle minus radius of the inner circle. Here we are taking the radius of the inner circle OA as R1 and radius of the outer circle OB as R2. Therefore, to find the width of the circular ring, the radius of the outer circle OB minus OA, that is R2 minus R1. Using this, we can find the area of the circular ring. Now, let's see exercise 4.2. Second sum, draw concentric circles for the following measurements of radii or diameters. Find out the width of each circular ring. For the given measurements, first you have to draw the concentric circle. Then after that, you have to find out the width of the circular ring. The first sum is given as r equal to 3 cm and r equal to 5 cm. We know that to draw the circle, we have to know the measurement of the radius. Here the two measurements are given in radius. So we are we are going to draw the circles. For that, we are taking r1 is equal to 3 cm and the second circle r2 is equal to 5 cm. First, you have to draw the rough diagram of two concentric circle with the center O, and you have to mark the measurements OA equal to 3 cm and OB equal to 5 cm. And the second thing is we are going to find out the width of the circular ring. So this is the width of the circular ring. We are going to find out this area. First, we are going to construct the concentric circle. For that, first you have to mark the point and mark it as O. Then first circle, that is R1 is equal to 3 cm. So you have to take 3 cm in the compass using your scale. Measure 3 cm. Then from O, draw the circle OA of radius OA is equal to 3 cm. Then the second circle is given as R2 is equal to 5 cm. So you have to take 5 cm in your compass. Then with the same center O, you have to keep the compass and you have to draw the second circle of radius OB equal to 5 cm. These two are concentric circle and the width of the circular ring is the area that we have shaded. This is the area of the circular ring. After constructing the concentric circle, you have to write the construction, how you construct the concentric circle. Draw a rough diagram and mark the given measures. Take any point O and mark it as the center. With O as center and draw a circle of radius OA equal to 3 cm. And the next set is with the same O as center and draw a circle of radius OB equal to 5 cm. Thus the concentric circles C1 and C2 are drawn. To find the width of the circular ring, we know that the radius of the outer circle minus radius of the inner circle, that is R2 minus R1. R2 is 5 cm and R1 is 3 cm. Therefore, the width of the circular ring is 2 cm. Let's see one more sum. A third sum, D is equal to 6.4 cm and D is equal to 11.6 cm. Here two diameters are given. To draw the circle, we have to find out the radius of two concentric circle. You have to find out the two radius. For that, we are going to divide this diameter by 2. We know that radius is half of the diameter. That is R1 is equal to D1 by 2 and R2 is equal to D2 by 2. D1 is given as 6.4 centimeter. If we divide it by 2, we get 3.2 centimeter. And D2 is given by 11.6. If we divide it by 2, we get the answer as 5.8 centimeter. Now R1 is equal to 3.2 centimeter and R2 is equal to 5.8 centimeter. Using these two measurements, we are going to draw the concentric circle. For that, first you have to draw the rough diagram and mark OA equal to 3.2 and OB equal to 5.8 centimeter. After drawing the rough diagram, you have to construct the concentric circle. For that, first you have to mark the point O and take measure 3.2 centimeter in your compass. Then you have to draw the first circle. Then you have to take 5.8 in your compass. Then you have to draw the second circle. These are the concentric circles. C1 and C2 are the concentric circle of radius 3.2 and 5.8 centimeter. After constructing this concentric circle, you have to write the construction. Then you have to find the width of the circular ring. Width of the circular ring can be found out by radius of the outer circle minus radius of the inner circle. That is 5.8 centimeter minus 3.2 centimeter. That is equal to 2.6 centimeter. Let's see one more sum. D is the fifth one. D equal to 6.2 centimeter and R equal to 6.2 centimeter. Here, one of the measurement is given as diameter and one is given as radius. To draw the concentric circle, we know that two measurements are to be in the radius. So we are going to convert this diameter 6.2 as a radius. For that, we are going to divide this 6.2 by 2. We get R1 is equal to 3.1 centimeter. And the second radius, second measurement already in the radius, then we can take R2 is equal to 6.2 centimeter. Using these two measurements, we are going to construct the concentric circle. For that rough diagram, OA equal to 3.1 centimeter and OB equal to 6.2 centimeter. After constructing the rough diagram, you have to draw the concentric circle with the proper measurements. Then you have to find out the width of the circular ring. Here the width of the circular ring will be 6.2 minus 6.1. Then we get the width of the circular ring as 3.1 centimeter. Thank you.